Hey guys, Tampa J here, and I'm about to check out a really cool place that a couple friends of mine have told me about. Grindhouse Video. Grindhouse Video primarily sells films from the horror genre. Old to new, on DVD, Blu-ray, and VHS. There are so many titles: foreign, domestic, cult, and blockbuster. There are so many horror films here, all categorized very neatly, alphabetically. There are also titles sold from Arrow Video, Vinegar Syndrome, Scream Factory, and the American Genre Film Archive. Alright folks, so I just visited Grindhouse Video here in Tampa, Florida. Right there behind me. And thanks again to Todd E, Walnuts, and MovieJohn. Both suggested that I come here and take a further look, and I'm glad I did, because I found some awesome stuff. I'm a huge Friday the 13th fan, just like both of those guys I just mentioned. And MovieJohn inspired me to start looking for the VHS collection of the original Friday the 13th, and I picked up my favorite here, Jason Lives, and also my second favorite Friday the 13th, Final Chapter. I've collected VHS tapes for years now. I just haven't got around to collect the Friday the 13th series, so I'm going to start doing that. And thanks for the inspiration, guys. I really enjoy both of your channels, and I hope that you guys check out Todd E, Walnuts, and MovieJohn if you're a fan of movies, especially horror movies. So I've never seen this version of the Night of the Living Dead. This is 3D, and in fact, oh, hold on, pause for the cloud. It does come with the 3D glasses, so that's very cool. I also have the Friday the 13th Part 3 Blu-ray at home, 3D, which also came with glasses. And of course I had to get these because I actually went to this movie back in, I believe it was 1990 when Freddy's Dead came out, and at the end of the movie they had a 3D scene and they handed all these glasses out, and inside Grindhouse they had a stack of them, which I thought was very cool. So thanks again for watching. That was Grindhouse Video here in Tampa, Florida. I plan on going back and buying some more stuff, and if you're in town, it's at the corner of North Boulevard and Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard, right next to the Citgo. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Watch ahead. Watch ahead.